this is one of these strategies that you can feel really good about when your head hits the pillow at night, when you go to bed at night, knowing that not only is this helping you grow your business, but you're serving people at the highest level. Instead of shoving down people's throat, one size fits all solutions, marketing messages, products, and offers, you're taking the time to begin by asking a series of questions so that you can ultimately better serve customers in your market. Why quiz funnels? So we know what it is. Why quiz funnels? But there's a couple big reasons, beginning with reason number one, incredibly cheap leads. Oftentimes, you can get leads anywhere from 1/3 to 1/10 the cost of what you might be paying to generate leads in your business using traditional methods. And I'll give you an example of this. This is Mastin Kipp. He's an author. He is in the personal transformation space. He decided to launch a quiz funnel, and you can see his results. He was able to take his costs per lead down from $6 a lead to 76 cents per lead after implementing his quiz. This is Sean Penrod. He's in the marathon running market. He helps people who are looking to run a marathon. He helps train them to run a marathon. He went from $2.59 per lead to less than 23 cents per lead by switching to a quiz funnel. This is Beryl Young. She's in the photography space. She went from $1.67 per lead to less than 14 cents per lead by switching to a quiz funnel. So that's reason number one, incredibly cheap leads. Reason number two, people always ask, well, how do these leads convert into customers? Well, reason number two, incredibly high conversion. And the reason for that is with the quiz funnel, it enables you to customize your copy and your offer, meaning you can tweak what you say and what you sell based on how someone answers your quiz questions. You can often double to triple your sales conversion rates by doing this. And I'll give you an example. This is a company called Snack Nation. They're an e-commerce company. They deliver a box of healthy snacks to your home or to your office. And they decided to test a quiz funnel on their homepage. And they ran the test for 90 days. They had a funnel in place. And they said, let's see if we can beat that funnel. And here are the results. In 90 days, they more than tripled their conversion rate. They tripled their revenue per visit. They cut their sales cycle from 11 days to 8 days. And as a result, switched everything in their business to this quiz funnel. And they landed on the Inc. 500 list, making $24 million a year on the back of this quiz funnel, and landed as one of the fastest growing companies in America using this strategy. So incredibly high conversion is reason number two. Reason number three is incredibly high volume. You can often grow your business practically overnight by anywhere from 10 to 50x simply by switching to a quiz funnel. I'll give you an example here. This is Luis Carlos and his wife Gabby, who are in the parenting market in the Hispanic market. So they help parents in the Spanish-speaking world, and they decided to launch a quiz funnel. Now, the numbers I'm going to show here, Susie, are almost unbelievable, but they are the real numbers. I'm actually understating them a little bit, but when you take a look at these numbers, your jaw is going to drop. They launched a quiz funnel, first time ever, no experience, and check it out. They generated over 1 million opt-ins, 1 million email subscribers in less than 10 days. And the reason for that is because when you have a really well-designed quiz funnel like this, it has the potential to go completely viral. People start sharing the quiz results with their friends. Their friends take the quiz. They share it with their friends. And that's exactly what this quiz did. It went completely viral in the parenting market in the Spanish-speaking world. And in case you're wondering, what did they spend on traffic? They paid 26 cents per lead, and they made a 4x ROI, meaning they spent about $260,000 in traffic and made over $1 million in their first 30 days on the back of this quiz. And not only that, they've now built a multi-million-dollar business and multi-million person list of people who have since taken this quiz after the initial launch. So that's reason number three. Reason number four, incredibly valuable data. If you haven't picked up on it already, you've probably started to think to yourself, well, man, this quiz data is an incredibly valuable asset. you not only know a person's name and email address, but you know 10, 15, 20 data points about every person who is on your list. And this can increase the value of your business by 100x or more. So for anybody who's ever thought maybe you might want to sell your business someday, maybe now or in the future, you can raise the asset value of your business by 100x or more by using this strategy. And I'll give you a few examples of this. So this is a company here called Health IQ, and they disrupted the life insurance industry, which is one of the oldest, stodgiest industries in the entire world, not too long ago, when they launched a quiz-based life insurance product. So basically, you take a quiz, and it will recommend the right type of life insurance for you. Well, this little company was a startup and went from nothing to $450 million in terms of valuation practically overnight. That company I showed just a moment ago, Revolution Golf, with that swing killer quiz, was launched by 3 golf buddies, launched a quiz. With a little bit of help from me and my team, we built an audience of over 2.1 million people. And one day we got a phone call from a little company called NBC. And NBC said, hey, we're looking to grow our audience in partnership with the Golf Channel. Would you be open to selling your business? And the business was sold for a high 8-figure exit. For those of you in the B2B space, had the same experience not too long ago with another quiz that I helped build called Loan Builder. This is a quiz funnel to figure out what type of loan is right for you as a small business owner. Launched by a guy who used to work for NBNA, the credit card company, reached out to me and my team, got a little bit of help to build a quiz funnel. We built a list of over 20,000 customers. One day we get a phone call from a little company called PayPal. PayPal made an offer to buy the company for $183 million because they wanted to boost their small business lending division, and they were incredibly attracted by this list, this audience of customers and leads that we'd acquired and developed with all of this data, with all these data points. So reason number 4, incredibly valuable data. But the last one's most important, reason number 5. Not only does the strategy help you better sell, it also helps you better serve. And what I mean by that is this. Now, of course, you win for all the reasons that we've talked about. But more importantly, your customer wins. And I'll share a story that I think will really drive this home. This is Dana Abraham, and you can see here she's in the car with her husband, Jason, and their 3 kiddos in the back seat. They're going on a little bit of road trip here. And Dana recently launched a quiz funnel in her business. And you can see here that she did 10,748 leads in 14 days. Just launched it straight out of the way. As a result of this quiz funnel, had her first $1 million year, made over $1 million in less than 12 months, which is great for her. But this is the point that I really want to drive home. See, Dana helps parents of children who are what we call outside the box children. So oftentimes these are children who are on the spectrum. They might have learning challenges or may have been diagnosed with learning disabilities. And as a parent with a child in that situation, it's incredibly tough. It's incredibly difficult. And the quiz funnel that she developed was a quiz funnel to help parents in that specific situation. And you can see the feedback that she's gotten from parents just from taking this quiz. You can see, oh my gosh, I watched the first video after the quiz and I could not come and not post what you've done here. You have changed my life. Thank you for being who you are and sharing your gift with me. So this is one of these strategies that you can feel really good about when your head hits the pillow at night, when you go to bed at night, knowing that not only is this helping you grow your business, but you're serving people at the highest level. Instead of shoving down people's throat, one size fits all solutions, marketing messages, products, and offers, you're taking the time to begin by asking a series of questions so that you can ultimately better serve customers in your market.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you truly enjoyed it. I'm Alessio Pieroni and I'm the founder of Scale for Impact and obviously of Scale with Alessio. In this channel you can find some of the most amazing marketing content, the content that will help you your online education business to go to the next level. And if you want to see other videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel. It means really the world for us. And please also comment below and tell us how you found this video. It's truly important. If on the other side you want to go to the next level and you actually want to make sure that you can watch the entire talks from the Scale series, you want to see over 50 speakers, people that have been changing the entire marketing landscape, and see exactly how these can take your business to the next level, please subscribe to the Scale series. For just $99, you're gonna get the chance to see some of the most amazing speakers, and on top of that, get a lot of other bonuses. You're gonna have 3 amazing books completely for free inside that, tens of hours of other marketing training, all of it for just $99. Literally, that's just $2 per talk. And we're not talking about random speakers. We're talking about people like Jay Abram, people like Alex Cattoni, Vishen Lakhiani, Jeff Walker, Perry Marshall, Rich Sheffrin, Molly Pittman, Murray Smith. Incredible people that changed the entire marketing landscape right now at your fingertip for just $2 each. So don't wait anymore. It's time for you to get the Scale series. See you there and upgrade your marketing knowledge.